Welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, and you're watching today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is about empathy, consciousness, Tàijíquán, connection. And this is one of those ones where appropriate, I would invite you to do this. To me, there's a big teaching around approaching and receiving permission when working with a partner. And so I'd like to be reassured that you'll do this only when and where appropriate. And that would involve getting permission and having a clear explanation of the intention before that permission might be granted or indeed declined. Anyway, today's Tàijíquán tip is to practice your Tàijíquán whilst holding a living being, perhaps an insect, perhaps your dog. Texadillo here has graciously accepted my invitation as a demonstration, and I don't know if this would include swaddling, or if it would be holding in one hand or two hands, or holding in a variety of ways while you practice. I don't really know, but I'll just sort of cradle Texadillo, if that's okay for you, buddy, and then go through the practice, right? So the idea with the practice is to tune in to the effect upon another living being that your practice has. Heart rate, pace, up and down, turning, arms moving past, Fajian, I suppose, whatever it might be, so that I'm not just thinking about myself in my practice. What does this feel like to me? What does my chi circulation feel like? What's my attention like? How calm am I becoming, etc. And in our martial arts practice, we're often quite interested in the effect of what I'm doing on somebody else. But of course, that effect is usually somewhat destabilizing and probably unpleasant. Here, it's less likely to be that. It's much more likely to be somewhat pleasing, maybe healing or calming. So trying this with an actual living being, when and where appropriate, is today's Tàijíquán tip. And remember, maybe when you're practicing your Tai Chi, you're being carried in somebody's arms in some really sacred and special, ephemeral way. Thank you. Love. Thank you very much for the tips. They really help me stay in business and stay alive. This last one, I'll show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.